Hey guys, I want to come on here and show you this Rain Bird water wand. I'm pretty excited about it. Rain Bird sent it to me to take a look at it, give it a use, and show you guys how it works. So some cool things about it are this handle right here. If you want to hold the handle and lock it, you can just do it like that. That will keep the spray going. Make the spray lower or higher. It has the holes on this end. And then one of the cool things I like about it are when you're attaching it to the hose, this part actually moves. Can you see that? So I'm pretty excited about this wand sprayer so that I can water my plants here up on my porch. Show you in just a minute. I've had Rain Birds in the past and they're always really good quality. And this is a composite metal, so it works really, really well. I can easily water my plants. Let it go while I'm moving around the patio here. I really like this Rain Bird wand. It makes it super easy to water my plants here on the porch without, I used to have to kink the hose. Now I can just walk around. Now it's locked in position and I can water my plants. And it's not lightweight, but it's not super heavy either. I'm a 58-year-old grandma. So it's really easy to use for me, so I think it'll be easy to use for anybody else too. Thanks for watching.